Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a hair treatment using cornstarch and an egg. For this we're going to use 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Cornstarch adds volume and thickness to hair that is fine and thin. It also offers minerals for stronger hair and promotes hair growth. Eggs are filled with protein and stimulate hair growth and help with dry hair. It also contains biotin, essential fatty acids, and vitamins A, E, and B, which will nourish the scalp, support hair growth, and add natural shine. Apply it for 30 minutes before you shampoo your hair with a shower cap.